Hello everyone, this is Betty from WMT CNC China. Today I'll introduce our flatbed CNC lathe, CK6150. Its CNC controller system is FANUC with English, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Spanish, Russian language settings. We can also offer other controller systems like GSK, Siemens according to your need. The bed weights are induction hardened with hardness around HRC50. Good quality grinding grade ball screw can ensure stable positioning accuracy. Its machine general parameters are as below. Max swing over bed 500 mm. Spindle nose 8-8. Spindle bore diameter is 82 mm. Its distance between centers is 1000 mm. You can also choose 750, 1500, 2000 mm according to your workpiece length. For this series of CNC lathe machine, you can choose optional accessories like hydraulic chuck. This is 8-position turret, and this is hydraulic tailstock. It must be matched to the hydraulic chuck. This is a servo spindle motor. You can also choose other optional accessory like automatic bar feeder. You can also choose other optional accessory like automatic bar feeder. You can also choose chain type chip conveyor to remove the metal chips. Okay, so this is all about today's share of our CK6150. If you're interested, please contact us, WMT CNC China. Thanks for your listening.